myself Akansha. Today I am going to teach you light. Light is a form of energy or something that makes vision possible. In more detailed way, light is a form of electromagnetic radiation which enables human eye to see objects. For example, when light from any source fall on an object and then that object reflects light to our eyes through which we are able to see object. One thing most important, we are only able to see object due to presence of transparent medium between that object and our eyes. Optics is a branch of science which deals with interaction of light and matter, general properties of light, etc. Few properties of light include speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second in air, and it changes when light changes its medium. Light always follows the straight path. Light does not require any medium to travel, and when light changes its medium, its speed and wavelength changes, but its frequency always remains same. Let's see. This is the intersection space between two medium. When light from any source fall on this medium, only two scenarios exist. Either light will bounce back in the same medium or it goes back into another medium. When light bounces back in the same medium, it is called reflection, and when light goes back to another medium, it is called refraction. Reflection, refraction. The ray which is coming to the intersection phase is called incident ray, and the ray which is going back, it is called reflected ray, and this ray is called refracted ray. This I am drawing normal, which is always perpendicular to the intersection phase of these two medium, which always form 90 degree. This angle is called angle of incidence. The angle which is between incident ray and the normal is angle of incidence, and the angle which is between the normal and refracted ray is called angle of refraction. From here, two laws arises. One is law of reflection and another is law of refraction. Law of reflection states that angle of incident ray, reflected ray and normal all lie in the same plane. And second point, this angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. Most important part is angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. And in law of refraction, sin I upon sin R is equals to constant. This constant is calculated on the different refractive index, because different medium has a different refractive index. This you will study in class 11th and 12th. Mirrors. Mirror are like glasses, but only one thing is common is mirror have one side polished one and one side always reflect the light. Mirrors are of two types. One is plane mirror and one is spherical mirror. Plane mirror, another is spherical mirror. When the reflecting surface of a mirror is plane, it is called plane mirror, and when the reflecting surface of a mirror is curved, it is called spherical mirror. Plane mirror always form virtual image, erect image, and the image which is formed is have a same size like an object. Object and image have same size. Object and image same size. Spherical mirror. Again, spherical mirror are of two types. One is concave mirror. Concave mirror. Another is convex mirror. Concave mirror is basically used to see the enlarged view, and concave mirror enlarged view. Concave mirror is basically used for the enlarged view. We can see dentists always use concave mirrors. Convex mirror. Convex mirror is also known as rear view mirror. Rear view mirror. We basically use convex mirror in our use in vehicles and car for the rear view. Concave mirror is like this. When light fall on concave mirror, it reflects in this direction. And in convex mirror, reflecting surface is this. When light comes here, it goes in this direction. One thing more, concave mirror is called converging lens, converging mirror, and convex mirror is called diverging mirror. With the interest of time, this much I can cover. Thank you.